Yes. Excellent. Would you believe me if I told you that I built my own computer? Would you believe me that I built my own PC with my own 2 hands? Well, I did. I did, and I'm so strong, I broke a piece in the process. I was building my PC, right? And, I am proof that if I can build a PC by myself with my own hands, that anybody can do it. So, I was putting in... What's the part that, So you got... Okay, hear me out. So you have the brain of the PC, right? That little square. That little square that everybody's like, oh, it's super important. You know? What's the thing? You gotta put the goo on it. Okay, that's the CPU? Okay, yeah, okay, the CPU. So, so you have... you have the CPU, and then you got the cooling gel? Thermal paste, that's what it... You're so smart. Okay, thermal paste, right? And then the CPU fan, right? Or the CPU cooler? That's... Right? Okay, so I was putting on the fan, right? Because you have to... There's like latches or hooks? I don't know. There's different fans have different things. So I was trying to hook the CPU fan onto what it was doing, and I snapped it. I snapped one of the hooks off. And I was like, wait a minute. Did I just break it? This has to be factory error. There's no way I'm strong enough that I just broke this. But I did. Yeah, the bracket, that's what it's called. I broke off one of the brackets. You broke your heat sink. Yes, I think I did. If that's what I've been describing, then yeah, that's what I did. So then I had to order new brackets for my thing. My CPU cooler, heat sink. And then I was terrified that I was gonna break it again. So I was very gentle. With it. And I was so gentle that I didn't hook it on tight enough. So I was playing my video games, and all of a sudden, everything started looking like it was 2 frames a second, and then it overheated and shut down. So then I had to buy more of the what is it? Yeah, it popped out. It fell out, slammed right on top of what's the card that sits underneath the CPU? What is that? Is that a graphics card? It took a nosedive and it landed head first onto my, whatever this thing is called. The graphics card. So I had to buy more thermal paste. Oh, the video card. I don't know. It's one of the cards. It's like a card thing. Yeah. Ordered more thermal paste. Took it all apart. Had to clean off the thermal paste, which was a thing. And the only reason this was such a big deal, like I'm sure some of you are like, oh my god, the shark is, oh my god. But listen, I never touched any of this in my life. But I fixed it. Look, I fixed it. It's here now. It works fine. It makes noises sometimes, but it gets the job done. Sometimes it goes, but it's fine. It's fine. I think it's fine. I keep my PC down by my feet. My PC, my PC case is white, and it's got a glass window on it, and I like to put my feet on it. It's got footprints all over it. Does that frustrate you? I feel like I've told you that before, but I'm gonna tell you that again. Yeah, right here by my feet. I'm putting my feet on it right now. All over the glass. All over the glass. Okay, let's keep reading. That's my PC story. Yay!